These are my, I know the bottle will eat up, but these are my protein shakes on the go that I just made. And this is what I use for unsweetened vanilla silk almond milk. If you recall, I bought a 6 pack of these. So it took 2 to make 4 bottles. So, no, actually 5. Because I have this one as well, which I'm about to drink. That's why it's open. So yeah, I made 4 bottles to go. I used the pumpkin spice. I use allspice. I use ground cinnamon quite a bit because I like it. And I use some ginger. So yeah, this is the protein shake that I use, which is the salted caramel. It's pretty sweet. So you definitely need like an unsweetened milk. So yeah, when I want a protein shake, I just grab and go. Now these are still foamy, so all I had to do was just go in and add some milk to fill it back up. So I just grab one of these with my dinner, which I'm about to have. Morning Star Farms chicken patties. So I got 2 of those. So I got 2 in the air fryer, and I'm just gonna have it on some wheat bread with a little dab of ketchup. So yeah, once again, this is my protein. How I make my protein all the time when I do have. These are the ingredients I use for my protein shake. The Quest salted caramel, the unsweetened almond milk, and I just use my recycled water bottles to fill them up. And it's going to be my protein on the go. Yeah. Look it up. And for dessert, I'm going to have some green seedless grapes. I want to eat pineapples, but it's a debate between pineapple chunks and grapes. I think the grapes is going to win because I don't feel like eating pineapples tonight. So, I don't know. So the grapes will win. I'll wash them off with some peppermint soap just to make sure I get them real clean. And yeah, that's dessert for tonight. And I got this little nifty tool from Miss A. It's just a funnel that I use to pour the protein shake in. So yeah, it's collapsible and everything. So I like this. It's like $1 at this end. So yeah, I just use that to funnel the protein shake in. So it's about to go in soak because I'm about to wash dishes later after that. The hole is so small. It's taking everything in me to squeeze it. All right, I'm kind of shaking because I'm hungry. But yeah, protein shake, 2 chicken patties, because the only thing I ate today was 1 small pancake. That's all I can stand. I don't like pancakes like that, but when I woke up from a nap, I needed something quick to eat. So a pancake was, you know, what I was kind of thinking about that I wanted, had a taste for. So this is my dinner, and it is 9:30, and this is going to be it. All right, good night, y'all.